Welcome to Octane Vane. 1 week tomorrow and we're leaving for the Nurburgring. I can't believe it's almost here. It's gone by so quickly. So yeah, I don't actually know how many Alfa 155s are going to be there. There's not been much traffic on the Facebook page, so I don't know who's confirmed or if there are even going to be any Alfa 155s there. I know a couple of other people on the forum are in the same situation as me. They're just struggling to get parts. So just have to wait and see when we get there. So 1 week tomorrow and we will be on the Channel Tunnel on our way to the Nurburgring. So that's really exciting. But another exciting thing is the parts that I ordered for the Alfa have arrived. So let me just switch this round. So although I ordered them from Online Car Parts, they've actually come from AutoDoc. So obviously Online Car Parts UK is just a subsidiary of AutoDoc. So I've already opened the box, but I haven't actually taken anything out yet. So let me just show you what is inside here. Okay, so there's some packing material. And then all the parts have just been thrown in together, which I'm really not impressed by because these bits aren't too heavy. That's okay. That is one of the boots for the CV joint, and that'll be the other one of those. That is a clutch slave cylinder. This will be the steering boots for the power steering rack. These are the new ABS rings because the other ones looked really worn down and I wasn't sure if they would actually trigger, so I replaced them. And now, this is the bit I'm really not impressed about. This here is the head gasket set, and this is a trailing arm. That weighs, I'm not sure how much that weighs, but it's pretty heavy, and it's obviously got some sharp, pointy edges, and it's made of metal, and it's just been dumped on top of a brake hose, which is a safety critical part, and the head gasket. Oh, actually, oh great, I've just realised this. If you look at that, the other trailing arm is underneath the head gasket set, and it's actually damaged the packaging for the head gasket. So if we get this brake, oh no, that's not actually a brake hose, that is a clutch hose, but still, not something that you want to be squashed under a heavy piece of metal. So if I take this out, that is really not good. Now, you can see that some of these other gaskets have been squashed. The packaging is ripped here, so that's open. And yeah, I'm really not sure whether I want to use this because it's a big job to put the engine back together, changing the head gasket. And if that's been in the back of a van, squashed between two trailing arms, then who knows what's happened to it. So I think a phone call to AutoDoc is in order. Oh yeah, some of the bits have even fallen out. So that's not ideal. Just pop that back in there. There's the cam belt, so that's good. And that was the other trailing arm that's caused all the damage. So it's bittersweet really, like everything that's happened with this car and this build. I'm excited to get some parts, and then I find out that they're damaged. And the thing that's really annoying is that the damage was avoidable. If the guy at AutoDoc had just taken a little bit more care about how to package it up and put some packing material around the head gasket set, then it wouldn't have arrived damaged. So I don't know how good AutoDoc are at replacing parts that arrive damaged, but it's another job that I'm going to have to do, and it's just another delay in the process of getting the car back together. So leave a comment below if you've ever ordered some parts from AutoDoc and you've had a problem with them as well. Let me know if they were good at replacing the parts or refunding, or if you've had a nightmare, which is what I'm predicting, but fingers crossed I'm being pessimistic. So this week I haven't spent that much time looking for the other parts that I need, but I did manage to find a clutch kit for the 12 valve 3 litre V6, so that is a massive result. I'm really pleased about that because that's one of the parts that I was worrying about, and I thought I was going to have to get some bits custom made, but luckily there's a company, they've confirmed it will fit my engine, and gearbox combination. So they are in Europe, but they do ship to the UK. So yeah, that is one weight off my mind. There's obviously still a long list of parts that I need to order, but I'm just going to be working through them slowly. I'm trying not to let this job stress me out, which it was before. So I think probably I'll look for a few more bits. It's bank holiday weekend here in the UK, so we've got today and tomorrow off. So yeah, I can spend a bit of time looking for some more parts and then obviously pick it back up once we get back from the ring. So not really much of an update this week, I'm afraid. I've been busy getting all my travel documents in order because I haven't been abroad since before Corona. So I had to check that all my insurance is all in place and we had other things to organise for the trip. So yeah, obviously these parts have arrived, but they're not in great state. So yeah, not really much progress towards getting the Alfa finished. But still pretty excited. Just over a week to go till we get to the ring. Plus, this week I reached a milestone with the YouTube channel, reaching 100 subscribers. So thanks very much for your support. It really does mean a lot. I'm so pleased to get to 100 subscribers. It's brilliant. And yeah, I'm just glad that you're enjoying the videos. And if you haven't subscribed already, then please do so, and then you'll get notified of when the next videos are out. I've got loads of content to bring you. I'm just struggling to find the time to edit it all. But basically, the next video that I bring you, I will be at the Nurburgring. So we've got a couple of things that we're going to be doing there. It's not just looking at Alfa 155s. So yeah, hopefully see you in just over a week's time. And if you're in the UK, enjoy the bank holiday this weekend. And everywhere else in the world, take care, and yeah, see you in a week.